I have a completion. I'm Nancy, pampered with diamonds. This one is super cute. What did I finish? I finished a bunch of minis. Yes, I did. I finished the Dreamer Design Animal Mini Set. And you're probably thinking, Nancy, there was nothing there. Well, I had to remove this because I don't know what happened to my sticker sheet. Yeah, it like it's gone. I don't know. So I had to come up with a picture to put in my book. So there it is. All the facts. The color grid, who makes it, what it is, the pictures, the canvas. I just used an X-Acto knife and cut it off the top. And then I wrote how many colors, the fact that I added ABs and fairy dust. And I did not keep the drills because I'm not keeping these projects. They are going to be cut out and used as greeting cards like I did for the Christmas ones last year. So let's look. The Dreamer Designs, they don't include special drills, but this is the animal canvas. They're 5 by 7. There's 10 of them. You get the resin drills, you get a tool kit, you get an inventory sheet with pre-cut stickers, which I don't know where mine are. I'll probably find them now that I don't need them, because that's the way it works. You know, that's the way it works around here. Anyway, and you get resealable diamond baggies like this. And you get a pink tray and the pen and the wax and all that good stuff. So let's look at what I finished. So, well, you've already seen the dolphin. We're going to do that last. Okay, I finished the peacock. And the peacock has special drills. Where are the specials? I actually don't think I put any special drills in the peacock. Yeah, I don't think I did. Because I don't, well, yeah, I did. This green. Yep, these are fairy dust right in here. So that was the the peacock. And then the wolf, you can see I put some crystals in the wolf above the eyes and in the ears. That was my wolf. Can you see the crystals? And then the owl, I put ABs in his eyes. And that, and then there's ABs right here and right here and in his eyes. Not ABs, there's ABs in the eyes and fairy dust. That almost looks like a heart with muscles. Look at that. Do you see a heart with muscles? Like here's the heart and then the arms. Isn't that funny? Here is the tiger. I like the tiger. He's got a pink nose. That's the way it's charted. And there are not any, there is ABs in the eyes. That's it. That's all I did for specials in the tiger. And the horse has special drills right up in here and in his ears. Yep. I like the horse too. These are all very pretty. They came out really nice. But I'm going to cut these designs out and use it as the top of the greeting card. And there's the elephant. So when I was doing the elephant, one of my subscribers said, you need to do an elephant event. There's a lot of elephant canvases out there. So either you've seen my Diamond Dots unboxing or it hasn't come out yet. But there's an elephant canvas in there and you got to go take a look. It's super, super cute. Here is the cat. The cat got blinged up in here. Yep, I really like the cat. Here's the lion. Where did I bling him up? Okay, the lion got blinged up around the outside. There's fairy dust around the outside. Yep. Came out really nice. And here is my favorite, the hummingbird. He is blinged up here and here and in the belly, and I put crystals right there. And there's a crystal in his eye. What do you think? And another one of my favorites is the dolphin. I put crystals on the outside. They were supposed to be just yellow drills on the outside, but I didn't put that. I just put crystals. I really like this dolphin too. So this dolphin might be a card for Love My Family because she loves dolphins. So that was my completion for animals around the world. And I did the dolphin for ocean and sea life. They're Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0 events. And that's what I put in my book. I started it July 7th and they were finished July 23rd. And they were quick little finishes and I like them. They came out really good. So we have the dolphin, the hummingbird, the lion, the cat, the elephant, the horse, the tiger, the owl, the peacock. Miss Star loves peacocks. And the wolf. I like them. Really nice. They came out just fine. Of course, I blinged them up. You know, I had to. I mean, would I be me if I didn't bling it up? I mean, come on, guys. You know me. Bling, bling, bling. Tell me your thoughts. Which one is your favorite? Let me know. So go pamper yourself and buy one of these from Dreamer Designs. They're minis, they're quick, and you can bling them up. And most importantly, be kind, everyone. See you on the next one.